Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to use nth-child in CSS selectors. So let's get started. As part of this session, I am going to solve the challenge that I have mentioned here on this sample application page. For that, first I'll open the browser and take you to that sample application page, which is on my name. You need to type my first name Arun, followed by my last name Motori, Motori dot github.io/m3.html. Once you are taken to this page, you can see there are 10 paragraphs on this page. Now right click on the blank area of this page and select inspect option. Then you are going to get the Google Chrome DevTools. You can expand all the HTML tags of this page here in the Google Chrome DevTools. After that, you need to click on the double arrow and select Selectors Hub. Now in this box, I'm going to write the CS selector by using this nth-child for finding the fifth paragraph of the page. Out of this 10 paragraphs, I need to locate or find the fifth paragraph. That too by writing the CS selector which uses nth-child. So for that, I need to first write normal CS selector locator which can locate all the paragraphs on this page. Generally, the paragraph elements will have p tag. So if I type p, the tag name p, so this CSS selector locator for locating all the paragraphs on this page. When I press enter, you see total 10 elements are getting located. That is all the 10 paragraphs on this page are getting located. Now I want to locate only the fifth one. For that, after this p, you provide colon, then type nth-child. Now give the circular brackets, and inside the circular brackets, you need to specify the number. So if you want to locate the fifth position paragraph, then give 5. Now press enter. You see only one element is getting located. That is nothing but the fifth paragraph is getting located. This is the fifth para is getting located. You can see that, right? So here, how this nth-child is working. So it's locating the required paragraph by using this position number. So this is a solution for this challenge. Okay. Finding the fifth paragraph of the page. What is the solution? This is a solution. P colon n-child of 5. If you want to locate a third position paragraph, let's say, what you have to do? P colon n-child of 3. Now press enter. You see third paragraph is getting located. If you want to locate the ninth one, just give 9 here. Press enter. Ninth paragraph will get located. If you want to locate the first one, okay, you can directly use colon first hyphen child, or you can also use colon nth hyphen child of 1. This is also fine. Okay, both are same. P colon first hyphen child, which I covered in the previous session, is similar to P colon nth hyphen child of 1. You see, it's locating the first paragraph out of all the paragraphs. If you want to locate the last one or 10th one, in this case, you know the number, right? Which is the last one, 10. If you don't know, you have to use colon last hyphen child. If you know what is the last position of the paragraph on this web page, you can directly use the number also. Okay. So p colon nth hyphen child of 10, it will locate the last paragraph. Okay. Whatever the number you give, that position kind of element will be located on this particular page. So before you write this, okay, before this colon nth hyphen child, right, we have this p tag. So how this will work? How this nth-child will work? It will work at the tag level. That means, you see, whatever the CS selector you have located, this CS selector P will locate all the paragraphs, right? Who is the parent of this paragraph tags? Body. Under the body, the fifth position paragraph need to get located. That's how it works. Okay, under its parent tag of the CS selector tag that you have given here. Okay, under the parent tag, what is the position of the P tag? P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So P5 is getting located if you give 5 here. If you give 10, fifth one will get located. So hope guys you understood how to use nth-child in CS selectors for locating the or finding the fifth paragraph on the page, and this is a solution. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.